today we're going to put on all those shiny new parts that I got. Okay, so what I got to do here, and I totally anticipated this, is it's kind of hard to see. This mount here is the old sway bar mount, and I figured that this one would fit on, like, what I would do is I'd just chop it there, and then rest this new one, this new tube, down a little bit, because I think, looking at the angle of the bar, yeah, I think I can get away with going down lower. The only reason that this would cause a problem is you see that I have all this anti-dive here. The angle of this top bar is really angled like that. If I ever were to go to neutral, then that back one might hit the sway bar, but there's no reason why I would ever radically change my anti-dive settings like that. So I am just gonna cut that mount on either side, lower that tube, weld it in place, and that'll be done. Wow, that's a stiff sway bar. This side hardly came off the ground and it lifted that tire right off. Hardly moved. That is a stiff sway bar. Well, that's what Ron Sutton's calling for, so that's what I'm gonna do. I trust him. It's pretty cool. All right, on to the next project. All right, I don't think my turbo blanket is going to fit my turbo. I don't know. No, it does not. No, and I got this external wastegate on here, which gets in the way of everything. Nope, I don't know. I mean, I have the turbo, no. Okay, well that's a fail. Well, what I'm going to do is I'm going to take that turbo wrap that I have, and I will do my best wrapping it with that. And this blanket, well, I'll save that for a future project.
So the man of the mist, how does it feel?
That was fun!